What is up, guys? JaretCampisi with the beautiful Christina K and the always stunning Alex Khalil. Welcome back to the channel. Today is a very exciting video. As you saw by the title and the thumbnail, Christina and I have decided to buy the brand new 2020 mid-engine Corvette, the C8, the first ever mid-engine Corvette they've ever done, and we are so freaking excited. We're actually heading down to Mid-Engine Chevrolet right now to put down our deposit and spec out our model. I'm not sure if we can actually order it today because pricing might not even be open yet, but we're gonna do everything that we possibly can to try and make sure we get one. And actually we're gonna try to get the first one in Santa Barbara, and we'll try to get the earliest possible one we can. I think it's not gonna be until next year, but we'll find out more details as this whole thing unravels. So I hope you guys are excited. We are certainly beyond excited. If you watched our first drive videos when we were test driving cars, looking for a car, we ended up loving the Corvette, and things that we didn't like about it were all fixed when they went to mid-engine. So we're really excited for this car, and the fact that the base model starts under 60,000 for a mid-engine supercar that does 0 to 60 under 3 seconds is literally ridiculous, and everyone is talking about this car right now, and for good reason. GM, Chevrolet knocked it out of the park with this thing, and we can't wait to get one. So let's head down to the dealership and take a look at our specs. Stay tuned. So if you guys have watched Christina's videos when we were shopping for supercar, sports cars for her, this is where we were. This is like the Santa Barbara Auto Group. We're in a very small town. Oh, so get this, guys. When I was chatting with the Chevy dealer, they were telling me that they're only getting 11 mid-engine Corvettes for next year. 1-1. So that tells me two things. Number one, damn, that's not a lot of Corvettes. This is a small town, so they don't sell a lot of Corvettes. I believe to get allocations, they have to have sold like C7s and ZR1s and stuff like that. So obviously, as a small town, they're not going to sell as many, so that makes sense. But two, it tells me that the Z06 version of this Corvette will not be coming out next year, and I think I might have seen confirmation in a video somewhere as well. So the Z06 Corvette won't be until 2021, which we might end up buying as well.
Which is good, because it's time to enjoy
this one, have it, share the experience with you guys, and then buy another one. So the other thing I want to say is my channel is still going to be mainly motorcycles, guys, so I know there's some sort of weird disconnect with motorcycle people. They're like, no, cars suck, whatever. Cars are awesome. So deal with it. But mainly we're going to be using this on both of our channels. It's a way to open up more, share more of our lives and stuff like that, which you can't really do with, hey, there's a Corvette right there. Look at that badass.
It was my favorite car that I got to test drive.
2015 C7
Had the
Corvette.
most fun with the Stingray Corvette.
Maybe Alex needs one of those. Actually, they have a couple here. Wow. Look at that. Remember last time we were here? That's a Stingray. They didn't have any. They didn't have any, so
they were like sold out.
Yeah, guess what? Everyone's trading in their Corvettes to get the new mid-engine one. Anyway, we have arrived. Alex, are you excited?
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Let's go spec a car, dude.
What about teens? Are you excited?
Oh, that's a given.
Oh, come on.
They know Eagle Nose is excited.
Come on.
Who's buying this car?
Yeah, who's getting this car?
All right, so we are here at Mid-Engine Chevrolet. We're meeting up with a guy named Adrian, which I actually haven't met before, but he's the one that hit me up whenever I put in the reservation. Alex was just saying, what did you say, Alex?
I was gonna say that the other Corvette, the new mid-engine one's not gonna have this giant quad tip in the center. It's gonna be two on the sides.
Yeah, we might miss that quad tip. I just hope it sounds as good. It's a very similar engine, the V8, naturally aspirated, 495 horsepower. Isn't that pretty much the same thing that's in this one?
Are you gonna show them?
I think that is. Hey, what's up, buddy? How you doing?
I was gonna say, are you gonna show them the mock-up of what we want to get, what it's gonna look like online?
Am I gonna show them our spec sheet? Yeah, once we go inside and we spec it out.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I want it now.
It's epic.
I want it right now.
It looks like a McLaren or like a Ferrari. It looks like
when we ride it, Alex is gonna have to sit on your lap because I'll be driving also.
I wish it had 4 seats somehow. Alex was already asking when it's getting delivered because he wants to take it to prom.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
Look at him.
You gotta get a girl before you do that.
Oh, burn! Hey, Santa Barbara chicks. Why is this guy single? Look at him. Why is he single?
He's ready to mingle.
He's a stud. Anyway, all right. One last look at the old school C7 Corvette, which is now discontinued. They are not making any more. Tell you what, it is a badass car still, but that hood is so long, it's literally ridiculous. And so is that booty. So guys, look at this. This is the Z06. So the Z06 actually has a wide body kit compared to the Stingray. So even when you're looking at this new mid-engine Corvette, it's a Stingray, it's a base model. Now we are gonna get the Z51 package, but it's still a base model, you know? It's not even a Z06. It's just a base model, but somehow it goes 0 to 60 faster than this with 650 horsepower when the new mid-engine Corvette's only 495. How crazy is that? That's the beauty of putting the engine in the back and the new dual clutch transmission as well. But damn, they are badass cars. I kind of still want one of these too, maybe just to hold us over. What do you guys think?
Look how much carbon fiber this is.
I know, this thing is spec to the max.
It really is.
Good God.
It has a carbon fiber roof too. I didn't
Oh,
know
it
that.
does. Actually, that's one of the things we're trying to decide if we want to do carbon fiber for our roof, Alex, or should we do a see-through roof?
I would go carbon fiber roof. Always.
Carbon fiber?
Lots of carbon fiber.
Yeah, maybe. All right, so we were inside Mid-Engine Chevrolet. We just met up with Adrian. There's Adrian. Say hi, buddy.
What's up, dude?
He's gonna be taking care of us. We're gonna go through specking out the car, put a deposit down and all that kind of stuff. I don't think the actual orders are open yet, so we're gonna do as much as we possibly can to make sure that we get one as soon as possible, and then we'll go from there. But if you guys have an opinion on our spec, let us know in the comment section below. We have a pretty good idea what we want, but I'm not sure if all the options are available yet, so let's take a look. All right, so look at how good that looks, guys. I can't get over that this is a Corvette. It looks like some sort of mid-engine exotic supercar because kind of it is now. So that's our spec right there, roughly. Like I said, they don't have all the options available right now, so we can't actually go in the order area and add all the specs. So we're still using the design spec from the actual website. So it's a white is what we went with. We chose all the carbon fiber options on the outside, which just gives you the ground effects, the mirrors, the rear big dick wing, and the Z51 performance package, which gives you upgraded suspension and upgraded exhaust and just brakes and everything else. Oh, that's one thing I wanted to show. So they have engine packages. I can't get too close. So we're gonna keep the engine, the black engine cover, and then it has red accents on the side. And then we added the engine appearance package, which adds LED lighting in the engine area and carbon fiber around the outside of it, which is just freaking absolutely ridiculous. You can see the wings and stuff like that. If you go to trim levels, Adrian, there you go. So we're going 3LT, sending it all the way. 3LT gives you a ridiculous amount of options, including leather on all surfaces. We went with the jet black interior with red stitching. Actually, if you click on that, it should, okay, perfect. I'll show you guys what the interior looks like. We went with the red brake calipers and the black wheels, and then that's why we wanted red stitching and red seatbelt covers on the inside, so that'll match the calipers and everything. Just enough pop to make it look incredible, but still be classy. Look at that, guys. Like, how is that a Corvette interior? It looks ridiculous. So they said they had a fighter jet plane as their inspiration for this interior. You can totally tell, it looks so cockpit style over there. When Teens and I are sitting in the passenger seat, we're gonna feel so out of touch. But yeah, and then if you go back out to the outside there, you can take the roof off and put it in the rear trunk. Check out how good this looks without the roof on it, guys. What the ever living. Like, that is ridiculous. What do you think, Alex?
Oh my god, I can't wait to get this thing.
It's so absurd. So actually, I have a question for you, Adrian. When this rear section opens up, the wing stays on the back, right?
The wing stays in the back. That is correct.
So for loading stuff in there, we're gonna have to power clean it up over that big dick wing. Well, there you go, guys. That's our spec. Super excited. We're gonna actually put down a big fat deposit, and we're gonna do our best to try to get one of the first rounds that come in. Adrian said he thinks he can do that for us. Yep. So we're gonna hold him to that. And if you guys are local in Southern California and you want to buy a new mid-engine Corvette, come down to Mid-Engine Chevrolet, talk to Adrian, and tell him you watched our video and you saw him in here, and give him a shout out. So, oh my God, I'm excited. Let's take care of some money. All right, so apparently because of the spec of our car, the base model price I think was $1,000, and then as you go up, it's like $2,500 deposits, and then since we went all out and sent it $5,000 deposit to reserve one of these bad boys. Money well spent. All right, so there you go, guys. Our car is officially reserved. We haven't actually made the purchase yet. As I mentioned, it's not available. We were speaking with Adrian. He said in the next couple of days we should be able to actually place the official order, but he did have a chance to chat with their manager, and he said they're getting three of their 11 cars in the first shipment, and we just got the third one. So we will officially be getting the first shipment of cars here in Santa Barbara. So we'll have one of the first mid-engine Corvettes in Santa Barbara, California.
Very exciting.
That's freaking awesome. So, oh, I'm so excited. And we'll let you guys know if anything changes. Let us know what you think of our spec in the description below. One of the reasons we wanted to go with white is because we want the option to wrap it in the future. So white is really good to do that. I don't know if you guys watch Stradman or not. Shout out to Stradman. He has this Aventador and he bought an orange Aventador, and when he wrapped it purple, you still see the orange in all the like the door window areas and the seals and all that kind of stuff, and in my opinion it looks kind of like garbage. Sorry, sorry, Stradman. I almost called him Trash Man. Hashtag Trash Man. No, sorry. So we like the idea that if we did do some sort of crazy wrap on a white car, it would still look really good. So yeah, there you go, guys. Super excited. I hope you guys are too. Let us know what you think of the new mid-engine Corvette. I know.
That's crazy.
Everyone's been asking us, when are you going to get a car? You've been talking about getting a car.
Yeah. But that's why we waited, is because
we wanted to get the right one.
Well, the C8, they're like, oh, just wait. It's going to be amazing. And so I was like, all right, might as well wait. And then the process of waiting was like, what car are you getting?
Yeah.
Well, here you go.
Yeah, and a lot of YouTube
So
is having the latest and greatest stuff because this is our job, this is what we do for a living. So buying old stuff where everyone has already made content on it doesn't really help you sometimes. And it's just a win-win all around. So I'm
very excited, yeah.
And I'll be able to race Christina on bikes in the new mid-engine Corvette. Yeah, it's gonna be fun, guys. Actually, teens might be.
And then lose my license.
Teens and I might be making some bike purchases soon too. So.
Oh boy. So excited.
Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give a thumbs up, subscribe, make sure you turn that bell on so you never miss a video. Subscribe to Christina's channel.
Alex is single.
Is not single. We need girls for him. Hit him up on Instagram @SBAlex. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.